Hello everyone, my name is Advocate Sehaj and today we'll be discussing the concept of cross FIRs. Cross FIRs permissible in case of two different versions of parties with regard to same occurrence. The Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh High Court recently reiterated that there cannot be two FIRs with regard to the same occurrence, but in cases of two different versions on part of rival parties with regard to the same occurrence, registration of cross FIRs is permissible. The observations were made by Justice Rajneesh Oswal while hearing a plea challenging an order passed by Judicial Magistrate Kishtwar, observing that there cannot be two FIRs for the same cause or occurrence except counter FIRs, and the grievance of the petitioner by no stretch of imagination is justified, as the FIR is already in place and investigation is going on. The petitioner had filed an application under section 156(3) CRPC for registration of FIR under sections 323, 341, 420, 409, 452, 506 and 109 of IPC, read with section 3 or 25 Arms Act against the respondent numbers 3 to 6 before the Court of Duty Magistrate. Non-compliance on part of concerned SHO constrained the petitioner to file an application for initiation of contempt proceedings against the SHO Police Station Kishtwar. The magistrate, while issuing notice to the respondent SHO as a response to which a status report came to be filed by him stating that one FIR stands already registered prior to the filing of the complaint by the petitioner under section 156(3) CRPC, and in the said FIR, the son of the petitioner complainant was named as an accused. It cannot be said that in the instant case the registration of FIR on the application of the petitioner would amount to registration of second FIR regarding same offence. Rather, this court is of the considered view that the same would be a cross FIR and the registration of the same is not impermissible under law. The bench underscored. Accordingly, the bench set aside the observations made by the magistrate in his order, directed SHO Kishtwar to register an FIR under relevant provisions of law against the respondent 5 and 6.